Are you afraid of heights? If not, then this video is for you. Welcome to a world of soaring heights and breathtaking views, where the sky is the limit and the world is your playground. Today we're going to take you on a thrilling journey to explore the 10 tallest Ferris wheels in the world. Get ready to be blown away by the sheer size and grandeur of these engineering marvels, and discover the fascinating stories behind their creation. From the glittering lights of the Las Vegas Strip to the majestic skyline of Singapore, we'll take you on a global adventure that will leave you on the edge of your seat. So get ready, hold on tight, and let's embark on an adventure of a lifetime. From the United States to China and the UAE, we'll be traveling around the world to discover these marvels of engineering and design. So, let's get started. Number 1. High Roller, Las Vegas, United States, 550 feet. Hold your breath, viewers. We're about to take a ride on one of the tallest Ferris wheels in the world, the High Roller in Las Vegas. This massive structure stands at a staggering height of 550 feet, making it one of the most impressive landmarks in Sin City. Now you may be wondering, what's so special about this Ferris wheel? Well, for starters, it features 28 cabins that can hold up to 40 passengers each. That's right, you can fit an entire party in there. And if you're worried about feeling cramped, fear not. These cabins are spacious, comfortable, and even air-conditioned, so you can sit back and enjoy the ride in style. Speaking of the ride, it takes about 30 minutes to complete and offers jaw-dropping views of the Las Vegas Strip and the surrounding desert. From up here, you can see all the iconic landmarks, including the Bellagio fountains, the Eiffel Tower replica at Paris, Las Vegas, and the Luxor Pyramid. As you ascend to the top, you'll feel a sense of excitement inside you. It's a moment you'll never forget, and one that's best shared with friends and loved ones. Whoa, this is surprising. But number 2 is breathtaking because you probably had no idea that the London Eye is also a symbol of love and romance. Number 2. London Eye, London, United Kingdom, 443 feet. Welcome to the iconic London Eye, where you can experience a bird's eye view of one of the most beautiful cities in the world. The London Eye is also a symbol of love and romance. In fact, it's one of the most popular places in the world to propose marriage. Imagine getting down on one knee in a glass capsule, with the stunning views of London as your backdrop. It's no wonder that the London Eye has become a hotspot for couples from all around the world. So whether you're a tourist visiting London for the first time, or a local looking for a unique perspective on the city you call home, the London Eye is an attraction you don't want to miss. This magnificent 443-foot-tall Ferris wheel is a symbol of London, and it offers stunning 360-degree views of the city's skyline. From the top of the London Eye, you can spot the famous Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament, Buckingham Palace, and the majestic River Thames. It's truly a surreal experience to watch the city come alive from above. Now, for number 3. Let's talk about the experience of Singapore Flyer, which will shock you. Number 3. Singapore Flyer, Singapore, 541 feet. The Singapore Flyer is not just a giant Ferris wheel, it's an experience that will take your breath away. As you step into one of the 28 cabins, you'll be amazed by the panoramic view of Singapore's skyline, which stretches for miles in every direction. From the top, you can see the bustling cityscape, the stunning waterfront, and the lush greenery of the gardens by the bay. Did you know that the Singapore Flyer is more than just a tourist attraction? It has been used for a wide range of purposes, from hosting private dinners and corporate events to being a unique wedding venue. Number 4. Tianjin Eye, Tianjin, China, 394 feet. Tianjin Eye is not just any Ferris wheel. It's a symbol of Chinese ingenuity and ambition. Standing at 394 feet, it's one of the tallest Ferris wheels in the world. And it's no surprise that it's become one of China's top tourist attractions. The Tianjin Eye is not just a ride, it's a portal to the heart of Tianjin. As you board one of the 48 cabins, each capable of holding up to 8 passengers, you can feel the excitement building. The ride takes approximately 30 minutes, and during that time you're treated to breathtaking views of the city. Have you been lucky enough to ride any of these Ferris wheels? Let us know in the comments below. Number 5. Star of Nanchang, Nanchang, China, 525 feet. If you're a thrill seeker looking for a new adventure, then the Star of Nanchang is the Ferris wheel for you. Towering over the city at a staggering 525 feet, it's hard not to feel a little nervous as you step into one of its 60 cabins. But don't worry, you're in safe hands as this engineering marvel is built to withstand strong winds and earthquakes. What sets the Star of Nanchang apart from other Ferris wheels is its unique location on a bridge. making it a true feat of engineering. And fun fact, did you know that the Star of Nanchang held the title of the tallest Ferris wheel in the world for 5 years until it was surpassed by the High Roller in Las Vegas? Even though it's no longer the tallest, it still remains a must-see destination for anyone visiting Nanchang. You won't believe what's coming up next on our list of the world's tallest Ferris wheels. Number 6. Ain Dubai, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. 820 feet. Dubai is known for its extravagant attractions, and the Ain Dubai is no exception. Standing at 820 feet tall, this Ferris wheel is not only the tallest in the world, but also offers a one-of-a-kind experience for its riders. Imagine soaring high above Dubai's iconic skyline, taking in the breathtaking views of the Persian Gulf and its surrounding islands. With 48 cabins that can hold up to 1,750 passengers at a time, the Ain Dubai is a marvel of modern engineering. The Ain Dubai is part of the Blue Waters Island development, a man-made island that boasts luxury hotels, residential buildings, and entertainment venues. It's a true testament to Dubai's ambition and vision for the future. The 7th Ferris wheel is going to take you on a ride like never before. Number 7. Melbourne Star, Melbourne, Australia, 394 feet. The Melbourne Star is not just any Ferris wheel. It is a marvel of engineering and design. It's a giant wheel made up of 21 cabins, and each cabin is like a mini capsule that offers a unique viewing experience of the city. The cabins are air-conditioned and spacious, with comfortable seating for up to 20 passengers. From the top of the Melbourne Star, you'll be amazed by the panoramic views of the city that stretch out before you. But the Melbourne Star is not just a great attraction for tourists, it's also an important part of the local community. It has become a symbol of Melbourne's resilience and determination, having overcome numerous challenges since its opening in 2008. Today, the Melbourne Star is a source of pride for the city, and a beloved attraction for both locals and tourists alike. Now, hold your breath, viewers, because we're about to take a ride on one of Japan's most iconic Ferris wheels. Number 8. Cosmo Clock 21, Yokohama, Japan, 354 feet. Yokohama, the bustling city that never sleeps. And what better way to experience its vibrant beauty than from the top of the Cosmo Clock 21 Ferris wheel? This 354-foot tall structure is not just a ride. It's an icon of Yokohama's culture and history. The wheel has seen several renovations since its inception in 1989, and its iconic clock face can be seen from afar. The Ferris wheel is situated in the middle of a bustling amusement park, surrounded by flashing lights, sound of laughter, and the aroma of delicious street food. As you ascend the wheel, the noise of the park fades away, and you're left with breathtaking views of the surrounding city. You've seen Japan's tallest Ferris wheel. Now get ready for a breathtaking ride on its smaller but equally impressive cousin. Number 9. Sky Dream Fukuoka, Fukuoka, Japan, 328 feet. Welcome to the land of the rising sun. Fukuoka, Japan's 6th largest city, has more than just its famous ramen and yatal or food stalls to offer. The city boasts a wonderful skyline, and to get a bird's-eye view of it, head to the Sky Dream Fukuoka, a Ferris wheel that stands tall at 328 feet. From the top of the Sky Dream Fukuoka, you'll see the city's most iconic landmarks, including Fukuoka Tower and Hakata Bay. But the best time to take a ride on this giant wheel is during sunset, where the sky is painted in hues of orange and pink, making it a wonderful moment to remember. Just when you thought the views couldn't get any better, the Jeongju Ferris wheel is here to take your breath away. Number 10. Jeongju Ferris wheel, Jeongju, China, 476 feet. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just looking for a leisurely ride, the Jeongju Ferris wheel has something for everyone. As we come to our final destination, we're back in China to witness the grandeur of the Jeongju Ferris wheel. This breathtaking structure stands at 476 feet tall, offering a panoramic view of the bustling city of Zhengzhou and the majestic Henan province. The Zhengzhou Ferris wheel boasts 36 cabins that can hold up to 6 passengers each, taking you on a 30-minute journey to experience the beauty of China's heartland. From the top of the Ferris wheel, you can see the stunning landscape of the region, including the famous Shaolin Temple, the Songshan mountain range, and the Yellow River that meanders through the land. It's a must-visit attraction for those exploring the Henan province, or simply looking to experience the magnificence of China's culture and history. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 10 tallest Ferris wheels in the world. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting content on amazing landmarks from around the world.